Hello, this is a learning video on how to calculate a molecular formula if you were given an empirical formula and the molar mass of the unknown molecular compound. So there is a relationship between the molecular formula and the empirical formula. If you recall, a molecular formula is a whole number multiple of the empirical formula. So you can use this understanding to take the molecular formula molar mass and divide by the empirical formula molar mass to find that multiple, and where that n is going to equal that multiple, and that will be a whole number of either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So here's a problem, an example problem. We were given the empirical formula of C2H4O and a molecular molar mass of 132.18 grams per mole. Find the molecular formula. Well, the first step is that you're going to want to calculate the molar mass of the empirical formula. And to do that, if you would recall, you're going to take the empirical formula and you notice that there's 2 carbons, so you're going to multiply 2 times the molar mass of carbon, which is 12.01 grams per mole, found on your periodic table, and you come up with 24.02 grams per mole. You're going to then take 4 times the molar mass of hydrogen, and you come up with 4.04 grams. And then clearly you have 1 oxygen in your empirical formula, so that has a molar mass of 16 grams per mole. So there you go, you calculated your empirical formula molar mass by adding these three terms up. Now, now that you have your empirical molar mass, you can take that number and put that in the denominator. You were given the molar mass of the molecular formula, so you're going to put that in the numerator. And when you do this math, you'll notice you get a multiple of 3. So to find the molecular formula, you just apply 3 to that empirical formula. So the empirical formula was C2H4O. The molecular formula then is C6H12O3, where I just took these terms and I multiplied them by 3. This is the molecular formula, and that's the answer to the problem. So this was a learning video on how to calculate a molecular formula, and I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.